Hey everyone, my name is Liz. I post 4 beauty related videos a week on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday at 4 p.m. If that's the kind of content you like, reviews of affordable makeup of course, then please hit that subscribe button down below. But firstly, this little gift set retails for £30 at Superdrugs. It is a Studio 16-piece total lip vault. Now once you open it, you are greeted with all 16 lip items. So you get 4 liners, 4 crayons, 4 lipsticks and 4, is these glosses? I think they're all glosses. 2 say liquid lip colour. Okay, so I think you get 2 glosses and 2 liquid lip colours. You can take that off. And this is what it looks like. So it does actually retail for £30, and I must admit, for Studio I wouldn't pay £30 because it's a brand I never really go into. But all their gift sets were on half price, which was £15. Plus my student discount, that's £13.50. And on Saturday, they actually had an additional 20% off their gift sets. So that would have been like a tenner, to be fair, for all of these, which I think is really worth it if the formula is any good. So I'm going to start by swatching the lip liners. So you get 4 lip liners. You get like a brown. I don't know if these have any shades on them. No, it doesn't look like. Then you get like a more pinkier tone and a red one and then a lighter pink. So let's swatch the lighter one, which is just that shade there. And let's swatch the darker pink. I think this pink would be my favourite. Oh no, it's like a raspberry pink. It's quite nice. And you've got the brown. I love a good brown lip liner. It is quite a light brown lip liner. You have a red. Everyone needs a red in their life. Oh, again, more of a raspberry red. So it's not like a true red, and I'd rather if it was a true red, to be fair. But they are a little bit harsh as well, like they're quite scratchy. But I will use these in a video and let you know what I think of them. But not bad. 4 lip liners. They look quite nice. And what do they say? They got the vegan sign and the leaping bunny. So they should be cruelty free and vegan. And I think Superdrug's own brand is usually cruelty free and vegan, which is a thumbs up from me. Then you get 4 crayons. These look really moisturising. So you get like a... they literally match each other. So you get like a darker pink, which is that shade there, which kind of matches the darker pink from before. I love the packaging of chubby crayons. Then you get, or is this the darker pink? Oh, that is a really nice like movie colour. It's the first one. And then you get a brown, of course, a nice like mushroom brown shade. And if you know me, I can eat mushrooms raw. I love mushrooms. And then you get a red. Oh, it's a bit more of a red than the raspberry lip liner. That is a bit more of a, like, it is a pinkier red, but a bit more red than the liner, which doesn't make any sense, but you probably understand. Now you get 4 lipsticks, and they are coming in like a balmy type lipstick. So let's show the nude first, which just looks like this. You can tell they're a bit cheaper because they're wobbling about. And that is the nude. Again, it's more of a mushroom type nude colour. I wish they had names on them. Then you've got the red. Let's see how red this is. It just matches the crayon, to be fair. And then you've got the 2 pinks. You know what's funny? They've got like this, let me zoom in. I don't know if you can see, but they've got like a weird look around them. Like they've sweated a bit. This one's a bit more harsh, but that is one of the pinks. Can you hear that? It just wobbles, and don't get any ideas. Then you've got another pinkier colour right there. Then you get 4 that come in tubes like this. So I think 2 are glosses, which is the red and the nude, and the pinks one are both matte liquid colours. Let's do the glosses first. So you get the red one, which is just like the other shades of red. And you get the nude colour, which just looks like that. Again, they're just, it's not nude, it's more of a mushroom shade. And then the pinks are liquid lip colours. Ooh, I actually like that. It smells of a cheap liquid lip colour, like it doesn't smell nicely scented. And then this is the last one. Yeah, it smells a bit cheap. Then you're just greeted with a box that looks like this. I've put them all back in and this is what they look like. Do I think this is worth £30? No, I don't think so at all. I think £30 for this is just a little bit too steep. 20, yeah. 15, I'm so amazed. Their extra deals, even better. And this is probably something that a younger person would really enjoy, or you could give to someone who's just started out in makeup. That sometimes when you're just starting out, you could be quite, like, you're not a teenager, you could be in your 20s, and I think this is such a good gift set for someone like that, or buy for yourself, which I've done. And it has like 4 different shades in different formulas. These are the shade ranges. I do think it's too repetitive in my eyes. Like, they could have done a mixture of shades and they could have done like a proper red. But do you know what? I would use every single one of those colours. So it is a nice array of 4 different colours. I just think they could have branched out a little bit. But yeah, those are my opinions on this gift set. Please smash it a huge thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.